Hello everyone, welcome to Math with me. Today's our topic is about fraction and its types. A fraction is a part of whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole. The number above the division bar is called numerator. The number below the division bar is called denominator. Look at some example about fractions. Let us take a set of 4 bottles in that 3 are red. 1 is green. We can say this as 3/4 of the bottles are red. Let us express this in fraction as 3/4. Let us take another example. Scoring 90 marks out of 100 in a math test is also the example for fraction. We can write this as 90/100. Next is classification of fractions. Fraction can be classified in 3 ways: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Let us discuss the 3 types of fraction with help of an example. Proper fraction, a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator, is proper fraction. Let's take an example. 3/5. Here the numerator is smaller than the denominator 5. 5/8, 25/50, 79/120. These are all examples of proper fraction. The next is improper fraction, a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Example: 5/3. 5 is the large number and 3 is the smaller number. 16/19, 25/13, 150/31. Note down it 5/5 and 11/11 is also the examples for improper fractions. Here both the numerator and the denominator are equal. Let us check about mixed fractions. Combination of a natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction or mixed number. Let us check an example. Look at the 2 circles. The first one is not colored, and in the second circle the half of it was colored. While add the both, we get 1 and a half. 18 and a half, 5 1/6, 2 3/4 are few examples of mixed numbers. The next is unit fractions. A fraction which has 1 as the numerator are known as unit fraction. Let's check some example. 1/3, 1/7 and 1/32. Here the numerators have the value as 1. These are the examples for unit fraction. When the result of different fraction evolve to the same value, they are known as equivalent fractions. If we simplify 6/10 and 9/15, it gives the result as 3/5. 6/10 and 9/15 equivalent to 3/5. This is one of the example for equivalent fraction. Any two equivalent fraction for the given value. First problem is 1/2. Let us multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. We have 1/2 times 2/2 equal to 2/4. Here 1 over 2 is equivalent to 2 over 4. Let us find another equivalent fraction for 1 over 2. So let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. We have 1 over 2 times 3 over 3. While multiplying the numerator, we have 3 over. While multiplying the denominator, we have 6. 3 over 6 and 2 over 4 are equivalent fractions to 1 over 2. Pause the video and find any two equivalent fractions for 5 over 6. Have you got the answers? Good. Check it now. While multiplying 5 over 6 by 2 over 2, we have 10 over 12. While multiplying 5 over 6 by 3 over 3, we have 15 over 18. So these two are the equivalent fractions for 5 over 6. The next example is about compare the pair of fractions and check whether they are equivalent or not. The given fractions are 36 over 54 and 40 over 60. So let's take the first fraction 36 over 54. Here let me apply the prime factorization method. 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 over. If I apply the prime factorization for 54, have the value as 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, let's cancel the value 2 in the numerator and the denominator, and both the 3 values in the numerator and the denominator. We have 2 over 3. As the same, let's apply the prime factorization for the fraction 40 over 60. In the numerator, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. In the denominator, we have 2 times 2 times 5 times 3. While simplifying both the fractions, we have 2 over 3. 36 over 54 is equivalent to 40 over 60. Pause the video and try these examples. If you have any doubt, leave on the comment section below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Like and share my videos. This motivates me to step ahead. Thank you. In our forthcoming videos, we are going to discuss about operations on fractions, about adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing fractions.